Good evening, everyone. My name is Christine Cyrus Cipollina, and today I'm going to introduce to you the topic IT application in the hotel industry. So, what is IT or information technology? It is the use of computer systems or devices to access information. So, here is an example that we are already using IT without us knowing. Example kanang computer na imong gi-use para maka-research og topic para sa imong school project, kana nag-use na ka og IT. And kanang computer, internet connection, search engine ug software na imong gi-use para makahimo sa imong report like what we are doing right now is also a part of information technology. How about MIS or Management Information System? It is a computer-based system that provides help for managers to gather and organize information from different parts of a company. What kind of help man? It tracks sales, inventory levels, and customer data. By how? Track sales. It collects sa MIS ang data from point-of-sale systems, online transactions, and other sources, and then iyan i-organize into reports that shows kung unsa nga product ang halin kaayo ug unsa sad nga product ang dili halin. And by doing this, um, maka-help ni siya sa manager na ma-identify unsa iya kailangan buhaton like making adjustments to pricing or promotions para mahalin ning di kaayo halin na product. And inventory levels. I-monitor sa MIS ang mga stock levels, tracking incoming and outgoing shipments, and analyzing historical data. And lastly, kay ang customer data, makatabang ni siya sa mga manager makatabang ni siya sa mga manager because i-capture o i-organize man ni MIS ang preference sa customer, behaviors, and interactions with the company. So why IT is important in hotel industry? And I found 5 reasons why it is important. Excuse me. First is efficient operations. By using IT systems, mas mapadali ang operation sulod sa hotel because dili na need magbarog o maghuwat sa mga guests for a couple of minutes para maka-reserve or maka-get og room. Kay pwede naman sila mag-book through website so wa na jay hassle. Thus, leading to the second reason why it is important to have IT in hotel industry is because it enhances guest experience. Since we are talking about websites, we all know that a lot of coupons, discounts, and promos and such can be seen sa mga websites. So mas maganahan jud ang guest na mag-book through online and ma-increase ang ilahang level of satisfaction. And next is revenue revenue management. It IT systems help hotels to know what prices they should charge for their rooms by analyzing market trends, competitor rates, and demand patterns. And fourth is marketing and distribution. We all know how powerful media is, and marketing through online is top tier because it is easy to access and dali na kaayo makitaan sa mga tao, especially sa mga popular apps. So, ang IT sa isa ka hotel, sila ang na-assign na mag-promote through online channels like website, social media, and email campaign. While kaning distribution, IT allows hotels to distribute their inventory across various online travel agencies or OTDs, and then global distribution systems or GDS, and direct booking platforms. And last but not the least, the data analytics. IT systems help a hotel to collect and analyze data that are related to guests like their preference, booking patterns, spending habits, and feedback. By doing this, pwede nilang i-improve ilahang service para ma-meet nila ang expectation sa ilahang guest. So, that would be all for my topic. Thank you very much.